Most people will spend 40 years working, saving, and sacrificing, and then retire with way less money than they expected. Not because they were bad at their jobs, not because they didn't earn enough, but because nobody ever sat them down and explained the difference between two accounts that could have literally changed everything. Today, that changes for you. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about money in a way that actually makes sense. No confusing jargon, no lectures, just real talk. And today, we are breaking down two of the most powerful retirement tools available to everyday people, the 401k and the Roth IRA. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what each one is, which one fits your life. And honestly, you might just feel a little fired up to go open an account. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first. Why does this even matter? Picture this. Two people start working at the same age, earn roughly the same income, and both decide to save for retirement. One person just stashes their money in a regular savings account. The other splits their money between a 401k and a Roth IRA. Fast forward 35 years. The savings account person has some money, sure. But the retirement account person? They're sitting on potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars more, all because of how their accounts were set up. That's the power of tax-advantaged accounts. And that is exactly what we're talking about today. Let's start with the 401k, because chances are you've heard this word thrown around at work, and maybe just nodded like you knew what it meant. No shame. We've all done it. A 401k is a retirement savings account that's offered through your employer. You sign up for it at work, and a portion of your paycheck goes directly into this account before you even see it. Out of sight, out of mind, into your future. The money you contribute is taken out of your paycheck before taxes are applied. This is the big deal. So if you earn $4,000 a month and you put $300 into your 401k, you only get taxed on $3,700. Boom. Instant tax savings right now, today. And here's where it gets even better. A lot of employers will match a percentage of what you put in. So if your employer matches 50% of your contributions, up to 6% of your salary, and you're not taking full advantage of that, you are literally leaving free money on the table. Free money. That should be enough to make anyone stop scrolling and pay attention. So what are the pros of a 401k? Number 1, you reduce your taxable income right now, which means you pay less in taxes this year. Number 2, many employers offer matching contributions, which is essentially a bonus you get just for saving. Number 3, the contribution limits are pretty generous. As of 2025, you can contribute up to $23,500 per year. That's a lot of room to grow, but nothing is perfect, and the 401k has some cons too. The biggest one is this: you will pay taxes when you take the money out in retirement. Whatever your tax rate is at that point, that's what you'll owe. Another downside is that your investment options are usually limited to whatever your employer's plan offers. You don't get to shop around. And if you try to pull the money out before age 59 and a half, you're going to face a 10% penalty on top of regular income taxes. Ouch. So this money is meant to stay put. Okay, now let's talk about the Roth IRA. This one is a little different, and honestly, once you understand it, you might fall in love with it. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that you open yourself, completely independent of your employer. You fund it with money you've already paid taxes on. So instead of getting a tax break now, you get the tax break later. And the later part is where the magic happens. When you retire and start withdrawing money from your Roth IRA, that money comes out completely tax-free. Every single dollar of growth, completely tax-free. If you put in money, it grows for 30 years and it turns into a mountain of cash. You owe absolutely nothing to the government on that growth. That is a beautiful thing. The Roth IRA also gives you a level of flexibility that the 401k just doesn't have. You can actually withdraw the money you contributed, not the earnings, but the original money you put in, at any time without a penalty. That makes it feel a little less scary to beginners who worry about locking up their cash forever. So what are the pros of a Roth IRA? Number 1, your money grows completely tax-free and qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free too. Number 2, you have total control over where you invest your money. Stocks, bonds, index funds, ETFs, you name it. Number 3, There are no required minimum distributions during your lifetime, meaning you don't have to start pulling money out at a certain age if you don't want to. That's huge for flexibility and estate planning. Now the cons. The Roth IRA has lower contribution limits. In 2025, you can only put in $7,000 per year, or $8,000 if you're 50 or older. That's significantly less than a 401k. Another limitation is income-based eligibility. If you earn too much, you may not be able to contribute directly to a Roth IRA. For 2025, the ability to contribute starts phasing out at $150,000 for single filers and $236,000 for married couples filing jointly. So this one isn't for everyone, at least not through the direct route. All right, let's take a breath because we've covered a lot. But here's where we bring it all together, the part you've been waiting for. The who should use which breakdown. If your employer offers a 401k match, and you're not already contributing enough to get that full match, that is your first move. Always. There is no investment in the world that beats a guaranteed 50 to 100% instant return, which is essentially what a match gives you. So start there. Now, if you're early in your career and you think you're going to be earning more money in the future, meaning you'll likely be in a higher tax bracket later on, the Roth IRA is incredibly attractive. You pay taxes now at your lower rate, and you never pay taxes on that money again. It's like locking in a discount on your future tax bill. On the flip side, if you're in a high-earning period of your life right now, the 401k is your best friend for reducing your current tax burden. Pay less tax now and deal with the taxes later, when you might be in a lower bracket in retirement. The honest truth? For most beginners, the ideal strategy is to do both. Contribute enough to your 401k to get the full employer match first. Then, if you have extra money to save, open a Roth IRA and max that out if you can. It's not one or the other. It's a tag team effort. Think of the 401k as your tax break today, and the Roth IRA as your tax break tomorrow. Together, they create a retirement strategy that covers you from multiple angles. And that kind of balance is genuinely powerful. Here's your homework before this video ends. Pull up your work benefits portal, or call your HR department and find out if your employer offers a 401k match. Then, go to a platform like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab, and take 5 minutes to look into opening a Roth IRA. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be a finance genius. You just need to start. Retirement might feel far away, but time is the secret ingredient. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. And the best day to start was yesterday. The second best day? Right now. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and tell me which account you're going to open first. I genuinely want to know. And if you know someone who needs to hear this, share it with them because this is the kind of conversation that can actually change someone's financial future. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's build something great together.